How to use Shark Rocket Vacuum Attachments. Most Shark Rocket vacuums come with several attachments. Confirm your model, for example, HV322, HV343AEMZ, etc., to ensure compatibility. Crevice tool. Use for tight corners, baseboards, between couch cushions, car interiors. Dusting brush. Use for blinds, shelves, lampshades, vents. Pet multi-tool, upholstery tool. Use for pet hair on furniture, stairs, mattresses. Motorized floor nozzle. Use for deep carpet and hard floor cleaning. Under appliance wand. Use for reaching under fridges, ovens, beds. Turn off and unplug the vacuum for safety. Press the release button on the wand or tool. Slide the new attachment into place until it clicks. Use handheld mode for furniture, car interiors, stairs. Use upright mode for floors with the extension wand. Clean attachments regularly to prevent clogs. Use scissors or a seam ripper to cut hair from the brush rolls. Store tools in a bag or on board clip. Thanks for watching.